Downer's got good opportunities. There's lots of room to improve your work and relationship here, and there's a large variety of work on offer.
Everyone's super friendly, super supportive and collaborative. It's only after I started working with Downer I realized how important work culture is to help in one's growth.
I joined Downer because I thought it would provide me a lot of professional growth opportunities because there's a lot of projects in a lot of different areas.
Great place to work, plenty of opportunities. They really push you here, and most of all just that culture.
I knew Downer had quite a lot of work going on, a lot of interesting projects, especially in water, which is sort of my background. I found the opportunity and went for it, and no regrets ever since then.
I always wanted to work for a top company in the industry.
Main thing I liked is the nature of the projects and some of the world first, like the gasification plant.
Downer offers a large range of opportunities. So I've progressed from an electrician, then through to senior E&I technician here, now to project supervisor. So just in the short 6 years that I've been working with Downer, I've seen a large amount of progression in myself.
They give you an opportunity, they give you learning opportunities, they give you an opportunity to go to the next level if you're willing to work hard and do it.
Challenging projects, you get to grow as an engineer. Also the work-life balance, that's what keeps me in and drives me to stay at Downer.
I think the collaboration within the team, when I came in, the team was very welcoming and it was easy to fit in and come into your new role when you came with Downer.
Everyone is so nice with me. They teach me, they correct me. The best solutions with me. It's a big team, but I love it.
I just don't think you'd look back and, sometimes it's hard to take the plunge, but definitely give it a go.
I would say go for it. Supportive management team that promotes growth, amazing projects. Like what more do you want?